Happy 72nd Republic Day, everyone. Why is Republic Day celebrated? I had this doubt in my mind. We celebrate Independence Day because that day we got freedom from the Britishers. But there is also an answer for why Republic Day is celebrated. So that answer only we are going to see in this video, okay? Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January in India. Since 1950 we are celebrating to commemorate the Indian Constitution replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India. As we celebrate our 72nd Republic Day today, let us know why this day is celebrated. So in detail this is the answer. In detail we are going to see it. Okay. India obtained its independence on 15th August 1947 though the nation did not have a permanent constitution. Instead, the country was functional on the laws that were based on the modified Colonial Government of India Act 1935. On 29th August 1947, a resolution was moved for the appointment of drafting committee for the development of a permanent constitution with Dr B R Ambedkar as the chairman. The first draft of the constitution was submitted by the committee to the Constituent Assembly on 4th November 1947. The assembly met for 166 days and spread over a period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days in sessions open to public before adopting the constitution. After many contemplations and modifications, finally on Jan 24th, the 308 members of the assembly signed to the handwritten copies of the document, each in Hindi and English. And 2 days later, history was created. The Constitution of India came into effect on the Republic Day, that is 26th January 1950. On this day, India was declared as the Purna Swaraj country. So, now we know why Republic Day is celebrated. Republic Day is celebrated because this day India got its constitution. And on this day, India was declared as the Purna Swaraj country. So because of these two reasons, the major reason is that the Constitution of India came into effect on Republic Day, on 26th January, and India was declared as the Purna Swaraj country. These two were the major reasons we celebrate the Republic Day. So now I think definitely your doubt on why this Republic Day celebrated is cleared now. That doubt is cleared now. I hope that doubt is cleared now. So let us all be responsible citizens and be proud to be a citizen of India, a country of various diversities. Once more, Happy Republic Day. Thank you.